Being able to read music on ukulele changed my life, and I want it to change your life as well. And that's why we're doing the beginning music reading workshop part 2. That's right, part 2. We already did the first part. That's still available for you if you need that one. We're going to keep on exploring these strings, these notes, this fretboard, this instrument. We're going to train you to learn how to read music. No more tab. You don't need tab anymore. We're going to learn how to read music. You can pick up any book. You can read the melody. You can play it. And that's why it's so important. It's going to help your confidence. It's going to help your playing, your knowledge of the fretboard, your eye-hand coordination, and it's that part of that brain that we need to use just to continue to grow and learn. So the the beginning music reading workshop part 2. Check it out. I want you to come in. We're going to start exploring the different strings and more options here on the ukulele. This is going to be one of the most important workshops that you can ever take. ukelikethepros.com/reading. We'll put that link below. I want to see you there.